Hi, this is Jason with Revant Optics. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and install new THRU bolts in your Oakley Split Jacket sunglasses. You might want to consider getting new THRU bolts if you want to customize the look of your sunglasses with a new color. To replace the THRU bolts in your Oakley Split Jacket, you're going to start out by finding a solid surface, hopefully lighter colored. So as you're working on these, if they do fall out, they're easy to find. And you'll take a T20 screwdriver, and THRU bolts are located here, and these are what keep the arms in place as you swing them out, just like this. So they're fairly easy to replace, so just fold the arm down. Take your T20 and insert it there, and then you're going to turn to the left and hold the front of the THRU bolt with your pointer finger, and you'll feel it loosening up there. Slide out. And then easily just use your finger to pull it out. And then the front part, which you'll see is still in there, you can actually push that out using your T20. Go ahead and find the angle there. It can take a minute because those are stuck in there. And then, so you'll have these two pieces here. You have the back end and then the front end. And then to add new THRU bolts, you'll actually start with the back piece and push it in. You'll see it slides in there. You may have to move this part a little bit to get it to line up and slide in like that, but it should be fairly flush. And then you take the front piece and go ahead and line it up, and then use your finger to turn it once you find the right threading. Right there. Once it's started, go ahead and push on there with your pointer finger. Use your T20 to tighten this. And just finger tight there so don't over tighten it. And you'll see it's raised a little bit on the front and then fairly flush with the back. And that is how you remove and install new THRU bolts in your Oakley Split Jacket frames. Thank you for watching this installation video. We'd love to see how your sunglasses look with your new THRU bolts. So go ahead and take a picture of them and post it to any one of our social accounts and hashtag Revant Optics. We have Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. If you have any questions about the process or questions in general about your frames, feel free to shoot us a message at support@revantoptics.com, and we'd be happy to help you out.